Hi friends, welcome to my channel Balakrishna Biology channel. Today we are going to know about carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. This is an experiment which is present in our first chapter, that is nutrition. This experiment is very important, which may be given to your examinations also. So let us go to the topic. First one, for any kind of experiments we have to write its aim. So now let us write or let us know what is the aim of this experiment. So the aim is to prove that CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. So for doing this experiment we need some materials. So all these materials together called apparatus. So let us see that. Apparatus are wide mouthed glass bottle, potted plant, KOH solution means potassium hydroxide solution or pellets. Nothing but pellets means tablet like structures, and split cork. So in addition to these we need a iodine test kit also. Next we go to the third step in our experiment, that is a procedure. Before doing this experiment we have to keep this potted plant which has long and narrow leaves in dark for 7 days. Why do we kept this potted plant in dark for 1 week or 7 days? Here we kept this potted plant in dark for 7 days to remove starch present in the leaves of that plant, which is already produced by that plant during photosynthesis. So this process means removing of starch from the leaves is called destarch. So for destarch purpose means to remove starch from the leaves, we have to keep the plant in dark for 7 days. During these 7 days in that dark room there is no sunlight. So due to that all the glucose or starch which is already produced by the plant will be exhausted, means removed, right? Next, after this we have to take the potted plant from the dark room and then take a wide mouthed glass bottle. In this wide mouthed glass bottle we have to pour some amount of potassium hydroxide solution. Why do we use KOH here? Means to absorb carbon dioxide which is present inside the glass bottle. So while doing this experiment we have to remove the carbon dioxide present in the glass bottle. So for that purpose we use potassium hydroxide solution in this glass bottle. Then select a long and narrow leaf from potted plant. After that take a split cork. So through that split cork insert into the glass bottle. We have to see that inserted leaf should be present half outside and the remaining half will be inside the glass bottle. And also we have to take care that the half of the leaf which is present in the glass bottle do not touch the potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, good. Next, keep this entire setup in sunlight up to 3 to 4 hours. Next, after completion of 3 to 4 hours, remove the leaf which is used for our experiment from the plant. Nothing but detach that leaf from the plant, and we have to do an iodine test for that leaf, and also we have to do an iodine test to the any leaf of the potted plant. Here we have to test the leaf which is present in the glass bottle and also the leaf which is present on the plant at any place. Next, after completion of iodine test, we will notice that outer portion of the leaf is turned into blue black. Inner portion means the leaf part which is present inside the glass bottle doesn't turned into blue black, means it is colorless. I repeat again, half of the leaf which is present outside the glass bottle turned into blue black after iodine test. Half of the leaf which is present inside the glass bottle didn't change any color, means it is remains colorless because of there was no carbon dioxide inside the bottle, so there was no photosynthesis, then there was no starch formed. Then we will talk about half of the leaf present outside the glass bottle. This part of the leaf, it received carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so this part prepared starch. So whenever we do iodine test to this leaf, it turned into blue black. Okay, next, the another leaf which we have taken from the plant at any place, complete leaf turned into blue black because that leaf completely exposed to the carbon dioxide. Okay, so that leaf, it received carbon dioxide from the air and it prepared starch. So when we did starch test or iodine test, that complete leaf turned into blue black. By this we can conclude that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. So we have to take some precautions in this experiment. That is, main precaution is the KOH solution which is present in the glass bottle, do not touch the leaf. I repeat again, potassium hydroxide solution which is present in the glass bottle, do not touch the leaf. And also we have to take care that split cork is airtight. For this we can apply grease or Vaseline to the mouth of the bottle. Here you can see some model questions on this topic on this screen. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a nice day.